Hello all, welcome in this tutorial. Today in this ERP tutorial we will learn how to download equipment list from SAP. Equipments are our backbones of any plant and organizations because using these equipments we are providing services to our customers. We are utilizing their utility and to maintain these such database in our ERP system, we have a dedicated module of SAP, that is plant maintenance module. In the plant maintenance module, we have created our all such working stalled equipments. Okay, so how to get such list we will learn. SAP transaction code to fetch the list from PM module is IH08. IH08. Using I IE03, you can display any equipment. Okay, so depend on the layout, you can choose the layout. We have executed the transaction code IH08. Just remove these dates. If you want to fill the dates, then you can choose the start date and end date. Okay, if you didn't, if you are not filling these dates, it's not mandatory, right? I have chosen a particular class. Okay, you can get the equipment class wise, you can get the equipment upon equipment category wise. See, these are the specific category already created in our plant maintenance module. Okay, so if you want to get the battery type of equipments, if you want to get the IT equipments, CM equipments, NGN equipments, UG cables equipments, power plant equipments, TR equipments, towers and difference. Okay, these are the specific category. So if you want to get the record of any specific equipment category, then you can choose here. If you're not chosen any equipment category, then the system will get all type of the equipment category list, right? In There are various categories fields in the general data tab. See, model serial number, manufacturer number, and country of the origin. In the serial number selection, we have the WBS element because during the master data management of the equipment creation, we fill the asset number, WBS number, so many mandatory field. Okay, and here in the location data tab, I'm just filling the maintenance plan 1704, right? And if you know the functional location, you can directly put the functional location and system will get the list of your functional location only, right? I'm just choosing our layout asset dash equipment, right? So system will give the detail of equipment along with the assets, right? See, in the first column, there is a equipment list. In the second column, there is an asset list. These are the equipment descriptions, functional location, and object type. These are the model number, main work center, planning plan, cost center. Various fields are available here, right? So this tutorial will help you to manage our all equipment database. Okay, and this is very important. If you're going to plan your AMC, then you should book these cost AMC cost on your particular equipment, right? Because these are the acquisition value, because acquisition value is directly we have get from the asset capitalization value. Okay, these are the manufacturer and these details are there, right? These are the catalog profile, functional location. Okay, if you get the record in Excel format, then you can easily maintain and manage. Okay. See, these are the column set. You can add or remove the column set, depends on your requirement, right? So this tutorial is purely learning tutorial. Uh, we are creating this tutorial for the understanding and the learning purpose. Please share this tutorial for with the officers and friends who are working in the plant maintenance module. Okay, material description, serial number, so many fields are the blanks, because during the master data creations, if the user has not filled those data, then these data is blank in this list, right? Go in the list, go in the spreadsheet, number of key columns. Okay, in the from the list, in the save and save to the spreadsheet, you can easily save the data in your spreadsheet. In the spreadsheet, the data you will get in the Excel format. Okay, and you can easily manage. These are the path, right? And system will generate the data field of all the equipment field of the one